Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. Please give us a like if you're on YouTube. Please give us a follow if you're on Rumble, and a thumbs up. Well, I'm still getting a few raspberries. The bush is about done. I think there's only like 5 raspberries left. Well, let's check on the peppers. These are strange peppers. Are strangely growing slowly. Is that? It is too. No, wait. That's a deep one. There we go. All right. Well, these strange tomatoes still being strange. I noticed the peppers finally starting to go red. And the other pepper plant. I'll see those when we get there. There's tomatoes. Tomatoes, peppers. There we go. Here's our nice red peppers. Well, peppers, I need to do more canning, which I do. Not ready. There should be a couple ready here this morning. Where are you? Oh, I saw you in there. Oh, that one's gotta come out. Oh. There we go. Yeah, not much bigger than that. Those ones there. Should come out and pick it if I'm gonna can today. Actually, this is just a bit too big. I knew I should have picked it last night when I saw it. Well, let's go put this zucchini down. All right, did not pick any beans yesterday. The bean plant was pretty well spent from the day before. There's one there, ready to get picked. Give me on that guy. Yeah. But there really weren't any left from the day before. Just a couple of tiny ones, which would be big like that green one. Just really poor bean production this year. Well, our in-ground potatoes are still continuing to do far much better than this sorry lot. As I cook, I'm digging up the potatoes. Although, if I got time for the next rain, I should probably try to dig them all out. And our onion bed, replanted after the first harvest, and our giant kale bush. All right, let's look and see if, yeah, so you're not ready yet. Yes, we have a few zucchinis in with the squash, in the squash boxes. Wow, look at this guy here. Very good. I was wondering if that one was going to get pollinated. Other gourds are gourding. Wow, it's just amazing. The size of these leaves. I mean, you could see the bit of the turmeric residue from all the sprays that I did. It's just amazing. I mean, you go back and you watch the first couple episodes, and these are all just dirt boxes, right? Oh, wow. You got a lot of vines wanting to vine away. It's not gonna work. Come in the house yesterday after filming. Go over to the laptop, download the files, and brushed a bee off me. Poor little bugger. Usually it's a Japanese beetle that's fallen off my body. Well, I notice got a vine going here. No fruit. Oh, I can smell critter pea. So, I guess the bunnies must be hanging around. Yes, there's a bunny in the yard. Oh, I did cut up a zucchini for him. Let's see if they ate it. No, the pieces are still there untouched. All right. Well, let's go to the front and have a look at Butch. And we'll tell you about something disturbing happening in Canada. Our forward box continues to amaze all of us in continuing to be able to grow in spite of all the pestilence around. Oh, pumpkin. Look at that, eh? Well, if this got pollinated and it's actually going to grow, that vine needs to go down to the ground, and it will. Should probably try to do that now, maybe. Okay, get wrapped around that. Yeah, so break that one. Break you off this. There we go. Sorry, but you're gonna have to let go of that one. Oh, geez, guys, come on. There. The plant will uniform foxtrot itself and face the right direction on its own. Now it's got a fighting chance for that pumpkin. All right, any new zucchinis? No, I don't see anything new. Just a failed one. All right. Oh, hey, Butch, how's it going? What's going on back there? So let's go in and have a look. At how this is progressing, eh? My soil is still moist, so hopefully it's getting some rooting happening. And I'd say so because these leaves have managed to stay large. What happened here? Just grow that way or somebody eat you? It's weird. Oh, look at the business in there, eh? And see how the flowers closing up? You guys better finish. All right. Now we had still a leaf there. Did you even start to produce something? Nope. Holy jeez, I got lavender in my eye. There. It's not the worst thing to get, I guess. All right, let's step out of this box. Oh, I think I saw, yes, look, it wants to flower. Oh, there's a few more in there. One there, one there. I guess the flowering has begun for the Morning Glories. Now let's go in and see how this is doing. The Fibonacci principle. Yes, it's still growing. Well, so to the Premier of Nova Scotia that has banned citizens from taking a walk in the forest under penalty of fine of $25,000 and what did I read, 15 years in jail because of wild forest fires. That's right. Citizens will now be banned in Nova Scotia from going into their own public spaces, public land, because of something that might happen. This is the kind of tyranny that governments will employ to start making decrees, and this is a decree in violation of the Charter of Rights in Canada and freedom of movement. They will be making these decrees because of something that might happen as a reason to limit your rights. And I say this in a gardening channel because they could easily come to your property and say, you can't have a garden because you might attract a pestilence that might affect a local crop. That's how these communists think. And that's why we're on Rumble. So please follow us here, where freedom is appreciated. Thank you if you've watched till the very end. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, look, we have a visitor. Let's zoom in on him.